What happens after you file a charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission? In recent news, many individuals are asking a pressing question. What happens after you file a charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission? This topic has gained attention as more people become aware of their rights in the workplace. If you have recently experienced discrimination, understanding the next steps is essential. After you file a charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the process kicks off with an initial review. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission will notify your employer about the charge, usually within 10 days. This notification contains details of the allegations and a request for the employer's response, often referred to as a position statement. Following this, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission may offer mediation. Mediation is a voluntary process where both parties can discuss the issue with a neutral mediator. If mediation is successful, the case may resolve without any further action. If mediation does not work out, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission will proceed with an investigation. During the investigation, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission gathers evidence. This may include documents, interviews, and even site visits. The employer is required to provide information and respond to the allegations. The length of the investigation can vary, but it often takes several months to complete. Once the investigation concludes, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission makes a determination. If it finds reasonable cause to believe discrimination occurred, it will try to settle the charge. If settlement talks fail, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission may file a lawsuit on your behalf, although this is not common. More frequently, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission issues a notice of right to sue. This notice allows you to file a lawsuit in federal court within 90 days. If the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission does not find sufficient evidence, it will still issue a notice of right to sue. This gives you the option to pursue the case in court independently. You must file a lawsuit within 90 days of receiving this notice, or you will lose the right to sue. For federal employees, the process is slightly different. You must contact an Equal Employment Opportunity counselor within 45 days of the incident to start an informal complaint. If the issue remains unresolved, you can file a formal complaint. If you are dissatisfied with the process, you can appeal to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission's Office of Federal Operations. Throughout this entire process, cooperation and timely responses are crucial to keep the case moving forward. Missing deadlines can result in losing your right to pursue the claim. If you choose to file in state court, be aware that deadlines and procedures may differ. Some states allow you up to a year or more to file, and remedies can include job reinstatement, lost wages, and emotional distress damages. The goal of the entire process is to address workplace discrimination claims fairly. However, the outcomes depend on the specifics of each case and the evidence presented. Seeking legal advice can help you navigate the steps and deadlines involved.